God wanted people free from diseases. But even if God wanted people to have diseases, to not have diseases, but the devil will tell him, God, you own the heavens and the earth, you gave it to man. And for me, after the fight with Michael, I was thrown to the earth. I'm going to bring sicknesses upon the people. And Jesus says, when you then pray, you say, let your will be done on earth as it is where? So the devil is simply telling God that, hey, your will will happen in heaven. When it is here, my will take place. And we have people getting sick. We have people getting sickness. We have people taken to hospitals. We have people having different conditions of sickness. But with those sickness, God then says, I can't sit here, watch these angels here. I'll rather give one angel some authority that it goes down to the earth. When it gets there, it's not going to go everywhere. It will have to go to Solomon's porch. And when it gets to Solomon's porch, there is a river there. There is a well there. This angel has to go down and stir the waters so that people may receive healing. And when the angel comes down to stir the waters, it stirs waters for people to get healed. But for people to get healed, they have to be cast into the water first. So, mangariva kuda vanhu vapone. Mangariva achida vanhu vapone nokubvumidza ngirozi dzavo. Kuti chiburukai makatakura grocery kwete rekunobika paEaster, but grocery rehealing. Kune variko vane mamarriages ari kurwara. Kune variko vane moyo iri kurwadziwa. Kune variko vane mabusinesses asiri kufamba zvakanaka. But ngirozi ngaichidzika pasi. Kana yasvika inofanira kuenda panzvimbo inonzi Bethesda yepagospel life iri pasati peIhlati. Enda unovhokodza mvura. Vanopona havasi vapinda imomo, but vanopona ndevatanga kuwiramo. Congratulations, watanga kuwiramo iwewe. Kune mablessings agadzirwa naMwari. Agarira Easter yepagospel life. I'm not going to talk about other churches for I'm not there. But in Trikuti, pane mablessings agadzirwa nzvimbo ino. Kune kuchanopindwa nemapromotion evanhu vari chosen. Kune kuchanotengwa dzimotikari nevanhu vari chosen. Kune vanhu vachanobata gold negolden generation nekuda kwekuti vari chosen. But vanhu ivavo vachigadzirirwa. Mwari ndokuti